this is Tristan. Today we will learn how to create a game with Whitehead Junior. Today I have another coding class. I'm waiting for my teacher. Welcome to my channel Super Moon.
Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you, Trishant?
I am fine, ma'am.
Okay, nice. Let's start with the class.
Yes.
Okay. So here we go. Here's your quiz question. Quick, answer the question.
This A and B, these both are same.
Okay, those both are same. Then try the other option. Try C.
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Right. Okay, let's quickly start with today's class. So in today's class, we are going to see a game, a full constructed game today. Okay? So first let me show you how this game is and then we'll move on to how to develop the game.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Good. So this is the activity which I was talking about. Okay? I'll let it load. Give it a second. Yes. So there's 4 bars on 4 corners and then there's a start button. When I click on start, the ball is starting to pop. Now if I move, see I'm only moving, okay? I'm using my mouse to move. When I move, no, it says start. It says you win, okay? That is the ball should hit the orange bar. If the ball is hitting the orange bar, you win. If the ball is not hitting the orange bar, let's say like this, then it says you lose. Okay? Sorry.
I know this
You
game,
understand?
how to play.
You know how to play? Okay. We'll see how it is working and we'll start doing the game now.
Yes.
Okay? I'll do the phase 1 and then you will do the phase 2. Then I'll do phase 3 and you will do phase 4. Okay?
Okay.
Now, first of all, there are 12 phases. 12 phases mean 12 parts for this game. But what we are going to do is, instead of dividing into 12 parts, instead of doing all the 12 parts today itself, we'll do only 4 parts today. And then 4 parts in the next class, 4 parts in the class after that. Okay? So that is very easy for Trishant to learn. Okay, Trishant?
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So I'm just going to show you how to do the first phase now. Now, you just listen to me, that is enough. Okay? I'll show you how to do the first phase. That will be easy for you to do the second phase as well. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, there is certain thing which we should initially do in the starting. Okay? First, I'll go to sprites and I'll make a new sprite. Before the new sprite, if you see, there was lines like this. You see, there's lines like this. No? So, we should first make that. So, I'll go to world and I'll take set background too. The background is going to be grid. Like this, okay? And now I'll make what all is necessary. First I'll make a black bar. This black bar was here, right?
Yes.
And then I'll make a red bar. This red bar was here. And then if you see, there are 2 small little bars in the red bar. You see, there is a green bar and there is a violet bar here. Now,
I can't see the red bar.
the red bar is here. There is a green bar and a violet bar here. Can you see?
Green.
Here is green and here is violet. Yes? Are you seeing it, Trishant? The small green and small violet?
I can see
Okay.
this black one, ma'am. This one.
Sorry?
That black one only the bar, ma'am.
Black one is a bar, red one is a bar. Above red, you have green and violet. Okay? I'll tell you why we have green and violets. First, let us make the green and violet bar. I'm making a green bar. It is very big, so I'll go to actions and I'll set the size to green bar. Okay? I'll set the size to green bar as 25. Okay? Now it's very small and I'll keep my green bar here. Okay, can you see the green bar?
Yes.
Here? Right.
Two
Now we'll do
green
something
bar.
like this for the violet bar also. So I'll go to sprites, make a new sprite, and here is going to be the violet bar. It's very big, so I'll keep the set size block. I'll set the size for the violet block to 25, same as the green bar. Now I'll keep this violet bar here on the other corner. You see there's a green bar here and a violet bar here, no?
Yes.
Now I'll keep a ball. This is all you don't have to do, just listen what I'm doing, okay? I'll keep a ball. Now the ball size is very big, so let's make the ball small. So I'll set the size of the ball to 25 again. Yeah. So this is going to be a nice size for the ball. Now, everything is set up, but what you'll have to do is there must be a start button initially. If you see, there's a start button here. After the start button, I click only, everything is appearing, right? So first there must be a start button, no? So I'll make a start button also. I'll make the start button as the first one on the top. I'll make start button, and I will keep it here in the bottom. Okay. Now if you see, when the start button is there, no characters are here, right? Only when I click on the start button, the rest everything should come. So initially it should be like this. Only the start button should be there. So I'll go to events and I'll take when clicked, because when I click on the start button only, I want all the characters to appear. You understand this?
Yes.
So see, once I click on start only, everything should come, but the start button should not be there. So I'll go and I'll remove the start button. Okay, so this is how it has to be. Reset, run, start. The start goes and rest everything is there. Okay, now I want the ball to go up. What is the behavior I will give? The ball has to go up. What is the direction up?
Not.
Right. So I'll give the behavior moving north. Okay, so the ball is going to move like this. Moving north, but it is not touching the black bar at all, right?
Yes.
So I'll make the ball touch the black bar. I'll go to sprites, I'll go to events and I'll take when touches. Okay, now I want the ball to touch the black bar. Okay, once the ball touches the black bar, what should happen to the ball?
It will touch and go to the red bar.
Yes, so it has to come down, right?
Yes.
So if it has to come down, what is the behavior I should give the ball?
Not the red. South direction.
South direction. So I'll give moving south. Okay. Now, if I give this, if you see, the ball is not coming down. I'll tell you why. Because before the ball touches the black bar, you have given a behavior moving north. Right. Now you are giving a behavior moving south. So the ball is confused what to do. If it should go north or it should come down. So it is confused. Okay. Now what you want the ball to do after it touches the black bar? Come down only, no?
Yes.
So you should stop the ball moving north. Okay. So I'll go to behaviors and I'll give sprite stops. Okay. This is sprite begins. This is sprite stops. I'll give the ball behaviors moving north. Because I don't want to move north, I want it to come down. And this is how it is. The ball touches and comes back. Do you understand?
Yes, but it's not touching the red bar.
That we will do. But the black bar should start moving once the ball touches. So we'll give behavior for the black bar. The behavior for the black bar is going to be swimming left and right. Okay?
Okay.
And this is how it is. See, the bar starts moving and the ball is moving down. Okay. Now, when the ball touches the red bar, what will happen?
It will go up.
Up. So, what is the behavior you will give?
Up is south. Not.
Up is north. Yes. So, the ball has to go north and you should stop it going south. Okay. If you give stops only, the ball will move. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I want you to do it. Come on, share your screen.
Okay, ma'am. I shared my screen, ma'am.
Okay, now open the second student activity 1, bouncing ball phase 2. Remix. Scroll down and see what the command is missing. Right. So the ball touches the black bar is not done for you. You have to make the ball touch the black bar, no?
Yes.
First, where is the command for that? To make the ball touch the black bar. Go to events and take when ball touches the black bar.
Yes.
Okay, that will not join with anything. Now you can start doing the rest. First, give the command. Come down. Change the bunny to the ball and the carrot to the black bar. Ball, black bar. Right. Now click on run, start and see what is happening.
It's not touching the black bar.
So if it has to touch, what you will have to do?
You have to go to the behavior.
You'll have to give a behavior, no?
Yes.
You'll have to give swimming left and right, okay? Go to behaviors.
Behaviors. Okay, ma'am.
Scroll down, you will see swimming.
This swimming.
Yes, very good. Now what should happen to the ball? The bar will start moving. What happens to the ball?
The ball is not touching the black bar.
So if it should touch, no, watch it will touch now. Okay, now which direction the ball should move? Once it touches, it should come down, no? If it has to come down, what is the behavior you will give?
We have to give behavior moving south.
South, yes.
Moving
For the
south.
ball, give behavior moving south.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, that one. Okay, now see if the ball is moving. It's not moving because you have told the ball to come south also. You have told the ball to go north also. That's why it's not moving. So you should give sprite stops moving north. Okay?
Okay.
Go to behaviors.
Behaviors. Okay, ma'am.
Sprite stops. Change the bunny to the ball.
Ball. Okay, ma'am. Now we have to give sprites. Stop moving.
Sprite stops moving. Which direction? It should come down. If it should come down, which direction it should not move?
Not.
Yes, very good. Give north.
Okay, ma'am.
Good.
But it's not touching the red bar.
That we will do. So for touching the red bar, you will have to give another command when ball touches the red bar.
When?
Go to events and take the command. Events.
Okay, ma'am.
Good.
We have to change bunny to the ball.
Yes, the ball touches the red bar now.
And we have to change carrot to the black bar. No, red bar.
Yes. Good.
But it's not touching.
It will touch. You'll have to give the command. No, what happens when the ball touches the red bar? What will happen?
Then it will touch, then it will go to the black, then it will come to the red bar.
Okay. Wait. Before that, it has to go to the black bar. If it has to go to the black bar, what is the direction?
South direction. North.
It is north direction. Okay. So first give the behavior of moving north.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Good. Okay. Now see if the ball is moving north.
Okay, ma'am.
No, the ball is not moving.
Yes.
Because you did not stop. Which direction you should stop the ball moving?
To the south.
Yes. So give sprite begins, sprite stops, moving south. Now
Okay.
sprite begins, sprite stops, moving south. Done. Good. Sprite stops, the ball moving south. Make it fast. There's a lot more to do. Quick.
No, we have to take a command.
Which command? Behaviors?
Yes. We have to go to the behavior and we have to take north. No, south.
I
South.
think it is.
South.
Very good.
Now it's came.
It's working. So it is
Yes.
automatically moving up and down now, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now you have to come to the red dot page and I'll teach you how to do the next one.
Okay,
Come to
ma'am.
the red dot page. Okay, now we have already done with certain level. Now we'll continue with the next. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now this is what we have done, right? What happens when ball touches the black bar and when ball touches the red bar, we have done. Now if the ball is touching the red bar, no, the red bar has to move, no? Red bar has to move right and left. That we will only click on right, the red bar will move right. We'll click on left, the red bar will move left. Okay. So I'll go to events and I'll give when right pressed. When right pressed, the red bar should move in which direction?
It moves each direction.
East. So I'll go to behaviors and I'll give sprite begins. The red bar moves in east direction. Okay. So I'll click on reset run. You see the green bar and the violet bar stood there itself, but the red bar only moved, right?
Yes.
So we'll have to give the same command for the green bar and the violet bar also. Okay. So for the green bar also you will give, and for the violet bar also you will give the same. What is the behavior? Moving east, right?
Yes.
Now which direction they should not move? If they are moving east, which direction they should not move?
What, ma'am?
If they are moving east, which direction they should not move, I'm asking.
He should not move west direction.
Very good. So I'll give sprite stops moving west for all the three. Okay, this is for all the three moving west. Okay, yes. So this is the same for all the three. This is for the violet bar and this is for the green bar. Now if you see, the bar is moving along, right? Now like this you will have to do for the when left is touched also. So when left is pressed, which direction all the three bars should move? Left is pressed, the bar should move like this. What is the direction?
West.
Right. So which direction they should not move?
They should not move each direction.
Very good. Can you do this now? That is done. Now when right pressed, first you do when right pressed and then you do when left pressed. Go to events.
Events. Okay, ma'am.
Events and take when right pressed.
When right place.
Up the first one.
Then we have to go to the behavior. And take sprite begins.
Good. Can you do it by yourself?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll help you. First, you have to change this up to right. UP up is there, no? Change that to right.
Okay, ma'am.
When right pressed, give sprite begins, attach it. Right is pressed, which direction it should go?
He should go to the east direction.
Yes, do it. Why there is sprite begins for the ball? The ball is going to move? No, right. The red bar, the green bar and the violet bar are only going to move. Change the ball to the violet bar.
Okay, ma'am.
Quick. Good. Go to behaviors, take moving east and keep it below.
East. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I keep it. I done it, ma'am.
Okay. How about the green bar? Do it for the green bar now.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm. Good. If they are moving east, which direction they should not move?
They should not move west direction.
Okay. For all the three, sprite stops moving west for violet bar, red bar and the green bar. Can you do it?
This sprite stop.
Mm.
Okay, ma'am.
Keep it down only. Don't keep it separately. Keep it down one by one. Keep it down to sprite begins and do it. Done?
Yes.
Okay. I want him to do when left press like this. Okay, because the time is up. Now I cannot continue with this. So what you can do is you can keep when left pressed for him to do and then you can save it. How do you? Good. Okay. So I'm gonna give you 30 on 30 points for the day. Great job. Come to the red dot page so you can see that.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you
What, ma'am?
Are you in the red dot page?
Yes.
And you're 30 on 30 points, right?
Yes.
Okay. Drishan, maybe if the next class is a revision class, we'll finish all the projects and see how to do that. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Drishan, see you in the next class. Take care.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Now we'll do reset run and we will see what happened. What will happen? So here is the game I create today. So friends, keep learning with me and enjoying with me. Friends, have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye. Please press the subscribe button to see my videos. Please give it a thumbs up if you like my videos.